Would you happen to be Elizabeth Kittredge? That's me, alright. Oh, that's great. So my name's Ashley Stevens, and I will be your driving instructor for today. Okay, now that you've met me, how about we take a look at the course? I've been doing this for 25 years, so you'll be safe with me. So the first part is simple. You just drive and just don't hit over the cones. But it's when you get to Old Granny McJones, which is the trouble that people get to. So yeah, she's pretty much just like a old lady. She moves back and forth. It's probably not hard at all. Like, tons of people have passed this test. Except for the fact this last part is a little tricky, parallel parking, but I think you know how to do it. And trust me, over the past 25 years, I've never had one of my students fail. So don't fail me! Oh, oops. This is too much chit-chat. Let's get this driving test over with. Okay, so I assume you've read all the safety precautions? Alrighty, I did. Oops, what is that? Okay, slow and steady, slow. Oh, whoa, slow and steady, come on. Whoa, whoa. Let's mark steady off the list. Oh no, the granny's coming. Whoa! Liz, we're gonna crash. Oh, we crashed. So, did I pass? Do you think you did? I'm gonna kill you!